A lot of viewers, welcome back. Now for the next recipe, we're going to be doing a beautiful dish, coniglio pepperoni polenta, vero?
Sì.
Now, Antonella, tell me a little bit of the history of this dish. Did you eat that back in Italy?
Yes.
Yes.
This dish is a very particular dish from my restaurant in Italy, the restaurant of my family in Italy,
Yeah.
because in Italy my father have a big restaurant, a big land, when come si dice alleva?
When he was growing, when he was raising
Yes,
the rabbits, yeah.
And he can service the good rabbit all customer. Every Sunday they do this polenta with pepperoni.
So basically, because I guess when in terms of commercial use, you either have wild rabbits that are pretty hard to get, and normally they might be more flavoursome, but they're actually probably a little bit tougher. Then you get the farmed rabbits, or as Antonella has used for this next dish, are the free-range rabbits, because they are actually raised by a friend of hers. So they're not farmed in bulk. These are loved pets by the sounds of it. And of course, it was a dish that she and her family used to serve on a Sunday. And rabbit is a dish to me a bit like a lot of game in the north, be it quails or pigeon or whatever. Sunday is the day that you serve this meat because they give it a lot of respect. Now the thing about rabbit is that it's a very healthy meat. It was never part of haute cuisine as in upmarket, but it has very low cholesterol and low fat, so it's a really, really healthy meat. So let's go into the kitchen and meet the family and see how they make this fantastic dish of coniglio in bianco.
Yes.
Wow.
Now we prepare one dish with rabbit and polenta. It's very particular dish from Crema, is my town, and a particular dish for my mom. It's a rabbit, polenta, and pepper. It's a very nice rabbit. You have to cut in 9 portions with a knife very sharp, but be careful at your hand when you cut. It's very dangerous. And after cutting good paste, you can put in one container with lemon and oil. You have to leave in your fridge for all night for marinade. Now my mother, she prepared the rabbit marinade and prepared before the paste already cut, and she prepared marinade for you, and you can see. Now we squish 1 cup of the lemon on top of the rabbit. Now my mom put a little bit of salt. Grazie mamma. And now we have put in the fridge for overnight.
Sembra sì.
Now for cook the rabbit, we have to take one big pan, put the oil, mamma vai pure con l'olio, e put inside all ingredient cold, no problem. Where my mom put the rabbit in the pan, she put in the top a little bit the salt and then pepper. Now my mom put the white wine in the rabbit. Right. And we use the white wine for take the strong flavor the rabbit. And the rabbit take inside the flavor of the wine, and this take good tasting. My mom now put the herbs, rosemary and sage. This take good smell and again good taste in the rabbit. After that we can put the rabbit in the stove for cooking. Now my mother put in the top of the rabbit the pepper, cut up and clean very well. Put in the top of the rabbit and close the pan for 1 hour. And you have to turn every 15 minutes the rabbit. You have to check and turn every 15 minutes. Now my rabbit is ready. And we can do my polenta. 1 liter of water for do my polenta. We can put 2 pinch the salt for do good testa the polenta. 1 little spoon the oil because the polenta no have too sticky in the pan. When the water take the boil, we can start with polenta. And polenta is half kilo. After the whisk, we take the wood spoon because this is good turn for the polenta. Now we prepare the plate with my polenta. The smell is fantastic. The special sauce in the top of the polenta. And now my rabbit is ready, good for eating.
Now, viewers, wasn't that just a fantastic dish utilising rabbit? A lovely dish, of course, that is, I guess, quite synonymous with a lot of Italian food in a way. And on that note, I would like to introduce you to the family, Antonella's family, her beloved mother and her aunt. Allora, Antonella, you must introduce your beautiful family to our viewers.
Yes, my mom and my auntie. I'm very happy they is here.
Of course.
I'm very esteemed for that.
Yeah,
Because,
she's excited.
Yes, very excited for that because I have my family here.
Now, signora,
Sì,
la
Caterina.
carissima Lina, cos'è che mi puoi dire dall'Australia? Cos'è qualcosa che ti è piaciuto molto nel tuo tempo qui?
Australia tutta bellissima.
Sì?
Saluto tutti gli australiani, arrivederci all'anno prossimo.
Allora, ascolta, vieni qui a abitare pure te?
Sì.
Oh, cavolo! Non si può dire una bugia adesso, l'hanno sentito tutti.
Devi venire, eh?
I just said, what do you think of Australia? Do you think you would like to move over here? She said, sure, I'm coming straight away. Oh, wow. Paolina, e te? Cosa ne pensi dell'Australia?
Io già la seconda volta che vengo sono rimasta stupita, beautiful.
Vero?
Sì.
E per te cos'è la cosa, cioè molto diversa dall'Italia qui in Australia?
La vita qua è diversa, ma mi piace molto.
Sì, è più casual, vero?
Sì,
Più,
sì.
più andante così, meno stressante. No, non possiamo dire quello perché è pieno di stress. I just said to Paolina, I said, life in Australia is a lot less stressful than Italy with all their political stuff going on. But you know what I said? It's not stressful. I said, of course it is stressful. We own restaurants. I own one, you own one. C'è tutto stress.
Yes.
Antonella, I'm very, very happy to have done this show with you. And I know this will remain in your heart for a long, long time. And on that note, facciamo un brindisi, signore,
Come no?
alle cuoche, alla famiglia, alla mamma, alla zia, Antonella,
Antonella.
assaggi italiani, Caterina, I don't know.
A
gotta do it
tutti
all
i miei
again.
amici, a tutti i miei customer e a tutta l'Italia.
Yes.
E viva l'Australia!
Yeah. Isn't
Grazie,
that
mamma.
beautiful? It's really beautiful. Thank you. And on that note, we look forward to seeing you again when we will bring you another episode of Regional Italian Cuisine. Alla prossima. Ciao. Saluti. Ciao.
Ciao ciao!